Hello friends, welcome to my video classes. In this episode, we will discuss the trigonometry. Trigonometry up to transformations. In this up to transformations, we have four topics. Number one is trigonometric ratios. The second one is compound angles. And the third one is multiple and submultiple of angles. The fourth one is transformations. Next, there is a small topic which is added up to transformations, that is periodicity of the functions. So totally these 5 topics will cover 4 to 5 marks. Okay. Now we will discuss the trigonometric ratios. Just few of the formulas only. I am not writing all the formulas. Just you go through the textbook formulas and then come to these problems, just model problems. Right. So here, these are the synopsis trigonometric ratios. First, if A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C, then he is asking the value of A sin theta minus B cos theta. That is equal to plus or minus under root A square plus B square minus C square. This is one formula. Here, if A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to C, then asking plus value A sin theta plus B cos theta, that is equal to plus or minus under root of A square plus B square minus C square. Next, sin theta, sin of pi plus theta, sin of 2 pi plus theta plus and so on up to sin of n pi plus theta. If this series is there, its value is 0 if n is odd. That means here n is odd. Suppose if I take n is equal to 1, then only sin theta plus sin of pi plus theta, because n pi means n is equal to 1. So you get only 2 terms. You observe here n value is odd, then its sum is equal to 0. You know, sin of pi plus theta is minus sin theta. So sin theta minus sin theta becomes 0. That is why it is odd, this value is 0. If it is even, suppose take these 3 terms, n is equal to even means this is even number. Sin of 360 plus theta. Sin of 360 plus theta is again sin theta. 360 plus theta belongs to first quadrant, therefore this is sin theta. This is minus sin theta and this is plus sin theta. Both are cancelled. You have only sin theta. Therefore, if n is even, this value is sin theta. Similarly, for cos, if n is odd, 0, n is even, it is cos theta. Next, if n is either even or odd, sin n pi value is 0. Next, cos n pi is minus 1 whole power n. Next, sin of n pi plus theta is minus 1 whole power n into sin theta. Cos of n pi plus theta is minus 1 whole power n into cos theta. These are just small important formulas, important concepts, and the problems are based on these series only. Okay. So, I include the problems in other models also. We will discuss some of the problems in this chapter. Okay. The first problem is tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus tan 60 degrees plus and so on plus tan 180 degrees value is dash. Right. So here, you know, sin pi or sin 180 is 0. Therefore, tan 180 is also 0. Now, tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus tan 60 degrees and so on up to tan, before that it is 160 degrees, next tan 180 degrees. Okay. Now here, this is 0 only. Now there is a small formula here. If A plus B is equal to 180 degrees, then tan A plus tan B value is 0. This is also a formula in this. Observe the first one, tan 20. If this is A, and this is B, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. 160 plus 20 is 180. Therefore, sum of these two becomes 0. And its preceding term is tan 140. 40 plus 140, that is also 0. So, tan 60, before that 120 is there. So, that is also tan A plus tan B form, that is also is equal to 0. Therefore, this sum is 0. Next sum, it's preceding term. So, all the terms 0, the result is 0. This is the result of this series. Okay. We'll go to the next problem. Log sin 1 degree into log sin 2 degree and so on up to log sin 179 degree value is dash. Okay. Now here logarithm is there, log m into log n into log p and so on. We can write log of m plus n plus p and so on. Before that, you think about this, log sin 1 degree into log sin 2 degree and so on. Log sin 90 degree is also there in between. And so on, it is log sin 179 degree. But sin 90 value is 1, log 1 is 0. Therefore, product of all these terms becomes 0. Because this is 0. Log 1 is 0. So, this product is equal to 0. Right? This is the second one. Next, we'll go to the next problem. The third problem is sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3 implies cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 value is dash. You know, sin theta maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1, and the sum of all the 3 sine terms is equal to 3 means each is equal to 1. Now, sine value is equal to 1 for theta is equal to 90 degrees. That means what? Theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 are 3 angles are same which are equal to 90 degrees. Then only possible sum of these 3 terms is equal to 3. That means theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3 is 90. Then the first given statement satisfies. Okay. Now, theta is equal to 90. Theta 1, 90, 90, 90. You know, cos 90 degrees plus cos 90 degrees plus cos 90 degrees. Anyway, cos 90 0. Therefore, the result is 0. Okay. Next. Fourth one. Now, tan 25 degrees is equal to P implies is asking tan 245 degree plus tan 335 degree by tan 205 degree minus tan 115 degree. Now, the result of this expression is in terms of P only. So, try to convert all the terms into 25s. Right? Now, here tan of, you can write 270 minus 25 as 245 plus tan of 360 minus 25 is 335 by tan of 180 plus 25 next minus tan of 90 plus 25, right? These are all degrees only. Now, tan of 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta, which quadrant? 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta belongs to third quadrant. So, third quadrant tan is positive, therefore, it is positive, first positive, 270 is there, tan becomes cotan. That means cot 25 degree. Next, tan of 360 minus theta. Tan of 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta belongs to which quadrant? It is fourth quadrant. So in fourth, the tan is a negative, but 360 is there, you get the same tan 25 by tan of 180 plus theta. 180 plus 270 minus is third quadrant. Third quadrant tan is positive, and since 180 is there, you get the same trigonometric ratio tan 25. Next, minus, here is tan of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta is second quadrant. Okay, so second quadrant means 90 is there, you get the cot 25 with minus. Therefore, I can write tan and cot in terms of p, then you get the expression value in terms of p, right? So this is equal to cot 25 is 1 by tan 25, that is 1 by tan 25 minus tan 25 is as it is tan 25 degree by tan 25 plus cot is 1 by tan 25 degrees. Okay, then it is p 1 by p minus p by 1, this is p plus 1 by p. So 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square, LCM pp cancel. This is the result. Okay. Next question, fifth one, sine 10 degrees plus sine 20 degrees plus sine 30 degrees plus and so on up to sine 360 degrees. You know, sine 360 degrees value is 0. Here the difference between the angles is 10. Therefore, its preceding term is sine 350 degrees. Right? That means sine 350, here is sine 10. If you take the angles 10 degrees, 350 degrees, and whose sum is equal to 360 degrees. Now, here is a formula, small formula. If A plus B is equal to 360 degrees implies sin A plus sin B is equal to 0. Therefore, sin 10 plus sin 350 degrees, this is 1, plus sin 20 degrees plus sin 340 degrees, plus and so on, last sin 360 degrees, this is 0 and this is also 0, 0. Therefore, the series total is 0. This is the result. Okay. Now, we have discussed in formulas a cos theta plus b sin theta, a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Then a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square. That is the formula we have seen. Here is the answer is plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. This is equal to plus or minus under root 16 plus 25, 41 minus 9. 41 minus 9 is 32. Therefore, this is plus or minus root 32. If you do not remember, then you have to work out a little bit. See, cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. In this problem, I will write this cos theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 into sin theta, because writing this minus sin theta on RHS side, so sin theta is common, root 2 plus 1. Now multiply with root 2 minus 1 on both sides. Root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Therefore, it is sin cos theta as sin theta. This is. So, we want cos theta plus sin theta value. Therefore, minus cos theta, bring this side, it will be plus cos theta. That means cos theta plus sin theta. On the other side, it will be root 2 cos theta. Therefore, this is the result of this problem. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Then this is the result, root 2 cos theta. If you do not remember, you can work out, but very simple to remember this formula, a square plus b square minus c square. Okay. Now, in this cos x plus secant x is equal to 2. You know that secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. When cos x is function, 1 by cos x is its reciprocal function. So, like x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 form, right? Otherwise, you substitute any value which satisfy the equation, right? If x is equal to 0, if I substitute x is equal to 0, because cos 0 is 1, so this is cos 0 plus 1 by cos 0. This is equal to 2. The given statement satisfied, therefore you substitute x is equal to 0 in this. This is implies cos power m of 0 plus secant power m of 0. This is also equal to 1 plus 1. This is also 2. Therefore, cos power mx plus secant power mx is equal to 2. So, here is a formula. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, that implies x power m plus 1 by x power m is also 2. This formula you remember, or x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. If you take x square plus 1 by x square, that is also 2. Right? See, x square plus 1 by x square, what will happen? A square plus b square. This can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2a into b. You get a square plus b square. But x plus 1 by x value is given 2. So it is 2 square minus x cancel, it is 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is the result. Okay. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. X power m plus 1 by x power m is equal to 2. Next, you know the identities of the trigonometric ratios. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These are three main identities. After that, sin theta into cosecant theta product is 1. Similarly, cos into sec is 1, tan into cot is 1. Therefore, three identities, these are the three relations. Okay, you remember all this once you refer the previous formulas, and then you work out some minimum models. Okay, thank you so much.